Hi, Attorney Steve Vondran back with you. A quick update on mass joinder lawsuits. Mass joinder lawsuits, we've talked about these before on our blogs, Foreclosure Defense Resource Center, and our Blog Talk radio show, Foreclosure Meltdown show. We get a lot of calls about people saying, should I join the mass joinder lawsuit? Is that something for me? Is it going to help me save our house? We talked a couple months back about doing your homework, making sure that you were spending money on something that actually made sense. We told you that the state bar was looking into it. We told you there were issues out there with the mass joinders. Just today I got breaking news, you're hearing it here first, that there was a raid in Irvine by the California State Bar, swooping down on some lawyers that apparently were engaged in mass marketing for these mass joinder lawsuits. And again, it's not really our job here. It's not something we do to typically identify the individual attorneys. They're out there on the internet. You can go see what it is that they're doing, but no formal charges have been filed as of yet. But as we've said, be careful when you get the calls and the emails. Apparently this company had engaged quite a few different marketing companies or were working with or affiliated with, whatever you want to call it, and sending out these mass mailers basically describing what they were doing, telling certain persons that you may be eligible. The forms apparently looked like government-looking forms, so it would tend to grab somebody's attention. So again, you have to be very careful in this environment. There's attorneys trying to accept advance fees. They're trying to wiggle away around SB 94. There's marketing companies that are willing to tell you just about anything you want to hear, including, we can get your loan modified in 30 days, principal reduction, trust me, we have ways that you can keep your house for a year. There's all sorts of foreclosure rescue scams. And again, we've tried real hard to keep everybody posted on the different types of things that are going on. These mass joinder lawsuits, these firms are collecting millions and millions of dollars. And at the end of the day, you've got the California State Bar in there raiding offices in Irvine. So again, be vigilant of what you're doing. Be very careful. Remember, the law in California is don't pay advance fees. There's some people trying to get clever, trying to charge $7,000 for loan audits, and all sorts of different things going on. So if you're not sure what you're about to write a check for, you can call our office. You can call the Attorney General. I don't know if the State Bar has a hotline, but before you part with your money that you're going to find a very difficult time getting back. As we know, we just sued an attorney who accepted a bunch of money from our clients and a tax attorney up north, and they don't give the money back. They've hired a lawyer, they've filed a response, and basically they conjure up an argument that the loan modification service is part of a tax service. So these things are out there. There's people looking to prey on you, and before you part with your money, be very careful, think it through. If you need to make some phone calls, make some phone calls. But so it's a mass joinder update. We're going to do a little foreclosure radio show on this as well, so if you want to tune into that, we've got it. And thank you for your time.